video later in the day today because I didn't get a chance to do it this morning. I'll try to take these measurements at the same time every day because they fluctuate throughout the day. Whether or not you've eaten before you eat, your measurements are going to be a little different than after you eat. Because you have food in your stomach and more weight, you put more weight in your stomach. And my hips are 36.25. So almost to my goal of 36 in my hips. Thighs are 20.25. I think that's down from yesterday. And the scale says 129.4. So that's up from yesterday, but like I said, I just ate and it's later in the day today. And your weight will fluctuate 1 to 3 pounds depending on what time of the day you weigh yourself and if you have food in your stomach. So, my thighs and my hips, I think, are smaller than yesterday. I think. I don't remember what the measurements were. But, so just continuing to eat fruit and make fruit my meals and progressing towards my goal. So since I started on day one, my waist was 28, so I'm definitely smaller now. Everything was larger. I decreased all over, and my weight has dropped since day one. Eating fruit, eating as much fruit as I want. Eating as much fruit calories as I want. Now, if you were to go on an exclusive Big Mac diet, or an exclusive cheese diet, or even an exclusive bread diet, or an exclusive yogurt diet, if you were to eat 5,000 calories of yogurt every day, I do not think you would lose weight. If you were to eat 5,000 calories of cheese a day, you definitely would not lose weight. So it's not how much you eat, it's what you eat. Definitely. And, after you start eating raw and you start eating better, if you have a cheat day and you go back to eating cookies or cheese or something, your body will probably be a lot more sensitive to it. And I remember, because anytime that happened to me, when I would go for a long time eating healthy, and then I would have a crash day and eat something unhealthy, I would feel it a lot more, much more sensitive to it than I was when I was eating that kind of stuff regularly. Because when you're eating unhealthy food regularly, you're used to stomach aches, you're used to headaches, you're used to fatigue, you're used to just feeling immobile after you eat. You're used to all that. It's just normal. But when you start eating healthy and you start feeling better, you become much more sensitive and much more aware of it whenever you do have a crash day and go back to eating unhealthy food. So in a way, it kind of helps to cheat because you realize what it does to your body. And it motivates you to not want to eat it again. Say, God, I don't ever want to have this stomach ache again. I don't want to eat that anymore. That helped me give up unhealthy food products too. Is when I would have a crash day and I would cheat and eat unhealthy food, I would get all these old feelings back and think, I don't want to feel like this anymore. So I'm just going to continue eating healthy. So sometimes it does help to kind of cheat and make you remember how bad you felt when you were eating unhealthy. So like I said, stumble but don't fall. And sometimes stumbling can actually help you a little bit. It'll boost your awareness and make you realize, oh man, I gotta really focus because I don't want to feel like this anymore. Or look like that anymore. Okay? So if you cheat, don't give up. It's no big deal. Just leave it in the past and keep going on the right path. And sometimes it can actually help you. Another thing that really helps to give up unhealthy things is to read about it. Go to the library, go online, and actually read what it does to your body and why it's bad for you. That helps me a lot. When you see it in front of your face, reading about it and maybe even seeing pictures, photos, whatever. Reading about what exactly it does to your body and the harm it does to your body, your brain, your skin, your organs. Well, skin is an organ. All your organs, everything in your body. Your entire physical well-being is affected. And when you actually read about it, that also helps. It makes you aware. Because commercials are not going to tell you. A Coke commercial is not going to tell you that Coke causes diabetes, of course. So if you just take the initiative to go online, go to a library, and read, then you will have it in your brain, branded in your brain. Because out of sight, out of mind. Like I said, a Coke commercial is not going to tell you that Coke causes diabetes and possibly even cancer. So you have to take the initiative to read about it on your own. Okay? And also, start thinking of fruit as a meal. Start thinking of raw health food as a meal. You don't have to have a side of steak or yogurt for breakfast to be healthy. Like, I could eat this whole melon for dinner if I wanted to. And you're thinking, a melon for dinner? Are you kidding me? I could never do that. But like I said before in another video, just start eating fruit. And after you start eating a lot of fruit, a melon for dinner will be fine with you. You're not going to feel like you need to have all this heavy cooked food for dinner. And there's protein in here, there's iron in here, there's calcium in here, there's essential fatty acids in here, there's everything we need. Okay, you can go on any website, I think it's USDA website, has a nutrition guide. There's nutrition guides online that will show you all the nutrients that fruit has. It's not just a bunch of carbohydrates and sugars. There's all the other nutrients we need are in here. Okay? And by combining foods, because every fruit has a different level of nutrients, so by combining, you'll get everything you need. Okay? So just start eating fruit and vegetables if you want. Just get away from the dairy, get away from the meat. Okay? Make your favorite salad. Eat whatever kind of plant-based foods you can to get away from the meat and dairy and the processed foods. Eat whole foods. And your body will begin to adjust to the way it's supposed to be. Alrighty. I'm out of here. Thank you for watching.